Choosing the right OS. Why your OS matters. Understanding the impact of OS on PC speed. The choice of operating system significantly influences overall performance. A slow OS can lead to frustration, while the right one ensures a smooth and efficient experience. Check your PC performance. Assessing key hardware components before OS selection. Understanding your PC's hardware is crucial for selecting the best operating system. Key components like the CPU, RAM, storage, and graphics play significant roles in performance. Key components impact on OS choice. CPU. Processor speed affects overall system performance. RAM. More memory ensures smooth multitasking and performance. Storage. SSD drives provide faster data access speed. Graphics. A strong GPU enhances visual performance for gaming. Best OS for low-spec PCs. Discover suitable operating systems for older machines. Selecting the right operating system can transform low-performance PCs into reliable machines, enhancing functionality and usability for everyday tasks like browsing, word processing, and more. Lightweight OS strength. Stability. Reliable performance for daily tasks. Speed. Quick boot and load times. Resource efficiency. Minimal system resource usage. User-friendly. Intuitive interface for all users. Best OS for mid-range PCs. Discover optimal operating systems for modern computer setups. Selecting the ideal operating system is crucial for mid-range PCs. Windows 10 and Windows 11 are top choices, offering features that enhance performance and user experience. Explore Linux options for mid-range PCs. Ubuntu, user-friendly interface with extensive support. Linux Mint, simple, elegant interface for everyday tasks. Pop_OS, optimized for developers and creatives alike. Zorin OS, perfect blend of Windows familiarity and Linux power. Best OS for high-performance PCs. Explore top choices for powerful machines and optimal performance. When selecting an operating system for high-performance PCs, consider options like Windows 11 Pro, Pop_OS, and macOS for advanced needs such as gaming and content creation. Ideal hardware and use cases. Powerful CPU enables high-speed processing for tasks. Dedicated GPU enhances graphics for gaming and design. Fast SSD provides quick data access and storage. High RAM supports multitasking and smooth performance. 4 OS choices for low-performance PCs. 3 lightweight options, ideal for efficient use. 5 recommended systems for mid-range PCs. Choose the right OS. Optimize your computing experience with the best operating system choice. Selecting the appropriate operating system is crucial for ensuring smooth and efficient performance. A well-chosen OS enhances speed, reliability, and overall user experience. Remember to assess your hardware and consider your needs to make an informed decision that supports your computing goals.